Good morning. Teddy and I tuning in and just stopping to say hello. We're on our walk on the back dirt road, and the ground is so interesting here because it's like years and years of I guess tree bark that from trees that might have been cut down here from a chipper. So it's very soft. I have to tread carefully. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go this way. I hope everybody had such a nice Father's Day weekend, whatever your plans were. The brunch went fantastic. We were so blessed to have been organized and prepped the night before. I got there about 8 o'clock yesterday morning, and a crew showed up that I didn't think was coming to help serve and help us in the kitchen. It was so organized. We got so many compliments on how organized it was, that some of the events there, although the food's spectacular and well served, it's kind of stressful in the kitchen and not so organized. So I'm very happy that I've learned to delegate and ask for help. I can't do everything myself, but it was great. The casseroles came out great. The bacon crack was a big hit. I think I put too much maple syrup on, or supposed to be crispier than that. But the coffee cake, I just brought a little bit home. I should have made a second chafing dish size of the egg ham and cheese casserole. That one was more popular, so we just served sparingly and it all worked out. There was a beautiful Father's Day service at the lodge that the officers did, and a prayer to the fathers here and no, not here anymore. And it was really nice. I was home by about, 1 o'clock. I went to visit a friend and went to see Emily at work for a minute. And it was just so nice. So back to the grind. Monday morning. And I'm trying to walk down to see if this baby horse is out. These people on this dirt road, every year their horse has a couple, two different babies from two different mares. And getting home and finishing my coffee, and it's on the computer. Today is a work day, probably an 8 or 9 hour work day, and that's okay. Gotta bank some hours so I can pay the bills. And we had some sun yesterday. Today's overcast again, but that's okay. And I'm gonna probably do some hoeing in the garden later. I might do a little bit before I start work because it might be warm later. But thank you so much for tuning in, and love to hear about how everyone's Father's Day was. And I know that they're not out. The baby horse is not out right now, but he's so cute. Another time I'll film the baby. There's like a teenager filly, I think, and then a horse that just gave birth a few weeks ago. So, anyhow, I'm going to go home, and I think I will do a little bit of hoeing. I can only hoe for a few minutes because the dirt's really hard, and I'm trying to clear a flower bed patch in my backyard that got all grown over where my artichoke's growing. I need to find something to prop up my artichoke, which is leaning forward from the weight of the giant artichokes on it. I'm not harvesting them. I let them bloom because they're so pretty. And come on, buddy. I got a Goose Creek candle box that I haven't opened yet. Don't know where I'm going to put those candles. I need a candle shelf cabinet now. What else? That's about it. Just back to the grind on this beautiful June morning. I can't believe it's June. So have a beautiful morning, everyone, and hang in there on this, what hopes to be a lovely, stress-free Monday. Take care. See you soon. Bye.